Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today I am doing a swatch video on the Plouise The Fortress Masterclass box, which is all of the coloured Plouise bases. So these are all the bases that I will be swatching today. So let's get started. Okay, so I am gonna swatch the first ones, which is the Basic Brights collection. The Plouise Basic Brights OTT Orange. So this is the orange. And that is it pushed on a few times there. So as you already know, my arm is pure white, so it brings up the colour pretty good. So this orange kind of looks red a little. Then I'm going to put the yellow beside it, which is the Yes I yellow. Yes I yellow. That's Irish. Put that right beside the yellow, the orange. That is pretty yellow. That'll be lovely in the summer, which I'm kind of confused why this is a winter palette. Not palette. I'm kind of confused why this is a winter kind of thing whenever this is more summer colours. I think she wanted to bring it out so then whenever it comes into the summer it's already big instead of just bringing it out in the summer. That's my thoughts on that. So now going on to the blue colour, which is the Banging Blue. Right, well, so this is the Banging Blue. That blue does look good. It really does. It's very pretty. Now I'm going on to the Basic Brights Popping Pink, which does look neon kind of pink. Came out a bit watery there. Weird. So this is the Popping Pink. That is pink. I like that. I do like that wee one. I think that'll be one of the ones that I'll use more often than others. And then I'm going to go into the Rude Boy Red. This actually looks a wee bit pink on here, but okay, it is definitely red. The packaging looks more pink than red, to be honest. But yeah, it does look more red. It still looks pink, to be honest. To me, that looks pink. Especially blended out, like those side bits definitely look pink. Like, it's like a pink kind of tinge to it. Like, that's red beside it. Right, now going on to the winter collection. We have the green one, which is Hint of Mint. That is a lovely colour beside it. A lovely mint colour. I really do like that. I don't really like greens, as you know. I don't really like greens. That is a really nice blue kind of green. It actually looks more blue on camera than it does in person. But it is definitely just a hint of mint. I'll go in with the blue right beside it, which is the baby blue, which is a touch of frost. And that is definitely a baby blue colour. Yeah, it is a nice sort of baby blue colour. I think those two blues would look nice in a look. Maybe that's something coming soon. Then I'll go in with the lilac, which is Vivid Violet. So this is Vivid Violet. That is pretty. It is pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with Winter Rose. That is a nice baby pink. You can barely actually see it on there, but I will bring you up a wee bit closer after to see that. And then the last one is the Badda Black. And yeah, this, I'm guessing, is going to be hella black. Oh, it looks it. Let me see. So this is the Badda Black. And yeah, it's black obviously. I feel like that might go a bit streaky, you know. I don't know, I'll have to test that one out. But these are all the colours. So these are all the colours we have. So we have OTT Orange, Yes I Yellow, Banging Blue, Popping Pink, Rude Boy Red, Hint of Mint, Touch of Blue, Vivid Violet, Winter Rose, and Badda Black. So yeah, there is the swatches done. They are pretty vibrant and it will be good whenever they're actually on the eye. I will have links below of whenever I do try these on the eye. Yeah, I do like those. I think they will come in pretty handy, and the best test now is for the baby wipe to see if they'll take this off. As I said, this, you know, these normally stay on my arm. Let's see. That orange has really stayed on there, but the rest seem to have went off pretty quick. Quicker than usual. So these bases are for the winter collection it's £38, or for the basic brights it is £48, and for the Badda Black one and the brush I know it's £19. I don't actually know how much it is just for the Badda Black. Normally I think it is between £10 and £15. Let's go check that out. Do I think these are worth it? So from the swatches, yeah, I think they might be helpful in this. I don't think they will be as big as the normal shade bases, but I think they will be worth it, you know, if you are doing a really colourful eye. Instead of using loads of eyeshadow, it might come in helpful. Okay, so that is me done with this video. If you have enjoyed it, then go check out my other swatch videos, and there is links below. Would you believe it? Yes, so there is links below to all my other swatch videos and also my other Plouise product opening videos, whatever they're called. So yeah, go check those out, and also subscribe. And also subscribe to my channel, because then you will see this face more often, and I hope you will enjoy that, because I will. Yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!